Hey guys, it's Jim Black with Suzanne Willis of the Second Harvest Food Bank. Excited to have her here at our event, our open house event here in the middle of June, and so excited to raise money for a great cause. And you guys do a lot of work, and we're honored to have you guys here as our guests. And I would like to ask you, how much does $1 do for your charity and group?
Well, Jim, it's amazing. Thank you so much for having us here. $1 can provide 4 healthy meals to our community.
Wow.
So one raffle ticket is providing 20 healthy meals in our community.
Wow, it's huge. So we're excited to have Second Harvest Food Bank here. So honored to be part of the community and help people in need. And thanks so much for coming, and can't wait to do more events like this in the future.
Thanks, Jim.
Thank
we really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you so much.